Let me see, it's hard to tell if this thing is blinking red, but I'm assuming it is. So we're doing a vlogging test, an audio test. No! Get the ball! Oh, sorry. One everywhere. Anyway. And watch for the balls. Anyway, back to the audio test. There's one mic here. If I flip it around, here's two microphones. So if you can hear any of the audio change, two mics, one microphone, and the distance is like 6 inches from my face, 12 inches from my face. Kids everywhere. Anyway, so that's it. Just a vlogging test to give you an idea how close you would have to have it to your face. 6 inches, 12 inches. All right.